U.S. aid immediately deployed a disaster assistance response team to Japan to respond to humanitarian crises in collaboration with the government of Japan. In addition, U.S. aid activated a Washington, D.C.-based response management team to support U.S. aid disaster assistance response team and coordinate the U.S. government humanitarian response. In accordance with a request from the government of Japan, U.S. aid mobilized and deployed 2 maximum-level urban search and rescue teams numbering more than 150 personnel. The teams have highly advanced capabilities for providing hazardous material detection, emergency medical care, and water rescue assistance.